Hi, this is Ankita and welcome to the TrackOlap's Office Asset Management System. First of all, let's know what is TrackOlap. TrackOlap is a simple yet powerful business tool to fully automate your workflow in no time. TrackOlap is useful for everyone. It is a complete business solution to generate and manage your leads, to manage your remote working team, to manage your HR operations, to manage your all purchased and rented assets across a multiple business domain. So in this video, we will know about our asset management system from TrackOlap. So let's start. When it comes to run your business smoothly, asset management becomes really important because we perform many activities in our day-to-day business life, and without proper asset management it can't done properly. If you have a poor asset management system, then you will come across many hurdles like no proper record of your assets, you can't manage your assets from anywhere, unable to identify when assets are not in use, increase the cost of maintenance, and no proper record of ghost assets. So, with the help of our product, we provide a solution for all these problems. Now, let's know how our product works. So, this is the dashboard screen of our asset management system that you are seeing right now. Under the dashboard screen, you will find the many informations that will help you to manage your business, to manage your assets. Like under the basic stats, you will find your total overall assets, the quantities, available quantities, quantities issued to your employee, and the lost quantities, the assets issued to employee and their expected return date, assets allocated department wise, and the total overall assets issued, return, lost, repair. All these informations you will find in our dashboard. And under the asset cost analysis, you will find the many more analytics like the total monthly cost of assets, the assets by status, returnable and consumable assets, top 10 vendors. You will find many sections in the top: analytics, assets, allocations, transactions, groups, types, vendors, reports. Under the group section, you can create the group of the assets like electronics, stationery, design, bottle, so that you can identify your assets and manage them well. Like under the electronic group, only the electronic assets will come. Under the stationery group, only stationery assets will come, like the pencils, notebooks, pens, all these assets. And when you click on the types, you are able to create the types of the assets. These are the subcategories of assets, and you can also create a vendor from where you have purchased the assets. All these details you can also manage with our product. Under the asset section, you can create the assets by selecting a particular asset type, and you can also mention how many quantities you have purchased, the vendor's name, and all those details you can manage. Under the report section, you can also download the reports, and if you want to schedule the report on your email, you can also do that, and you can also share the report with other employees also. Under the transaction sections, you will find six types of transactions like issue, return, lost, repair, repair returned, and scrapped. So if you want to do any type of transactions, you can do with our product. Under the allocation section, you can find total allocated assets to the employee, like how many assets are issued to employee, how many assets are returned by employee. If there are any assets are lost by employee, you can also find the information in the allocation sections. So this is the quick overview of our product. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.